Alright, today I'm going to be replacing the idle adjustment knob here on a 85 15 horsepower Johnson Seahorse. People kept in the past forcing it on and off without using the snap ring pliers, and it chewed off the tip here of the plastic off the knob, so now the ring retainer just keeps falling off and the black knob will just push out. So we're going to start off by removing the old one, pulling all that out. Now we're just going to pop the old retainer clip off. And this unscrews off. It unscrews in the opposite direction of normal. Okay. As you can see, it's broken right there. So you want to save this piece. Okay. Now we're going to take this off. Okay. Put the washer on the new one. And grease it up a little bit. Some marine grease. Okay. We use the snap ring pliers, and they open up. So what we're going to do now is grease the inside of that right there too a little bit. Okay, let's try this again. When you tighten it on, you want to go counterclockwise as you tighten it. Now comes the tricky part. You want to keep that pushed in, while at the same time opening the snap ring, putting it on. Okay. Push that side in a bit there to get it to seat. There we go. It is on. Make sure that is greased there on the inside. Just grease that whole area right there. Grease that plastic stud as well. Alright, you're all set. Definitely cannot do it with a pair of snap ring pliers.